Implosion. Implosion. Implosion refers to the process of collapsing inward and undergoing a sudden and violent inward compression. It is the opposite of explosion, where materials or objects expand or burst outward. Implosion typically occurs when there is a significant difference in pressure between the inside and the outside of an object, causing it to collapse under the inward forces. The word implosion has its roots in the Latin word implosio, which means a bursting inwards. It was first used in the mid-19th century and gained popularity in the field of physics and engineering. Now let's use implosion in an example. The vessel aborted diving further due to risk of implosion. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.